I will go and check on my sleepy birdies. Because I also have to say freaking goodnight to the birds. I have to say goodnight to the birds. Because it is illegal to bird laws without saying goodnight to them properly. Good night to my little birdie bird. You know what? You might hate me, but... Oh, go on. I wasn't going to do it. I was going to touch your little... I was going to touch your bird tail. I was going to touch... Oh my god, your artwork and both are so adorable. You are so adorable. You're so adorable with your little black dot eyes and your adorable little fur. You two are brothers. Blue, you're adopted. He's not. He was basically born by the bum of their mother. He's so adorable. Not sleepy. He's a sleepy bird. What an adorable sleepy little bird. Hi, sleep bird. Who's a little sleep bird? Sleep bird. Who's a sleep bird? Yeah, he may. Who's a sleepy bird? Who's a sleepy bird? Who's a sleep bird? You are. You are. You're a cute little sleep bird. Even your little nostrils so cute. Look at your fucking little adorable nose. You're so cute. I love you. I don't want you guys to die. Neither do you. I love you so much. You're so adorable. You're so adorable even when you're molting. You're so adorable. You birds are so adorable. And you're so adorable, my little buddies. Kawaii bird. I need to see what she needs. Kawaii bird. An angel. I trust you two to be alone, to not scream and yell during the night. Do not sleep at the bottom of the cage. If you two can successfully sleep together, one of you, just one of you, may get a reward for successfully sleeping out of the cage. For successfully sleeping. You don't care? Do you? He seems hype. He's blinking like it's nothing. Blink like... Kawaii bird, blink like it's the end of the world. Do it, yes. Okay. Why do you guys sleep with your eyes open? Tell me. Tell me why. Tell me why. Look at it. Look at the camera.
Excuse me, young lady.
Look at your camera. Your little camera showing your little adorable faces. So look how adorable you are. Look at you. Look at me. Look at me. Oh, what are you thinking? What are you planning? Planning to go for the... He might be planning it. He might be going for an attack. But he's probably raising... He's lowering his defense. The angel bird is planning... The yellow bird is planning an attack wisely. Waiting for the big down on the ground to drop his guard down. Will he attack or will he refuse to attack his bestie? Because there's only room for one. One bird. One shall live. One shall die. Who is going... Oh! I got him falling asleep! Oh! Why are they so adorable when they're falling asleep? I mean, that one probably they're not legendary. But still, the blueberries... So cute. I want to rub you. I want to freaking rub you. I want to pat you. I want to pat you because you're so freaking adorable with your little beak. Good night, little birdie. Good night. Have a good time during war in your sleep. I'll see who becomes the winner in the morning. Take a good long night rest, my little birdie.